Well, good morning, everybody. Chris Allen here at 7:36 on Saturday, January 24th, and the snow is coming down in Bowling Green, and this is all light stuff. So travel right now is not an issue, not yet, but it will become one as we go through the day. Now, I'm doing this update just so that some of you that still maybe need to do something last minute, hopefully you've done it all before now, but if you still need to get out, you're fine. But if you're thinking you can go to work and 8 hours from now still get home, that may be the problem. All right, so I'm gonna switch the camera around. I'm going down I just passed Small House Road, and so this is Campbell Lane, and I'm headed toward Nashville Road. As you can see, traffic is moving along pretty good. There's no issues out here. Of course, now the roads have been treated with the brine, but here's the thing. We are way under the normal temperature that the brine can do its job. Usually it's around 27, 28, and sometimes it'll hold even colder than that. But the current temperature as of right now in Bowling Green is 14. 14. So here's the deal. This light snow that's falling right now is going to stick, and it's most of today here in Bowling Green and to the north of us. It's going to be pretty much all snow. The latest modeling information that I looked at this morning still shows that period of freezing rain and sleet coming in, but that's not until tonight or early tomorrow morning. So most of what we're going to see in the News 40 viewing area is going to be snow today, okay? But now if you live further south of Bowling Green, anywhere between Bowling Green and Nashville, you're going to be in that kind of a zone that you may see some snow, but you will also see freezing rain and sleet mixing in at times. And then it's just going to go over to all freezing rain and sleet if it hasn't already. Now, reports I'm getting west of us in western Kentucky, Hopkinsville, Russellville, back toward Paducah, I mean, it's snowing pretty good. But those are the areas that are going to experience the highest snowfall totals out of this system. Now I'm approaching, this is Russellville Road and Campbell Lane, and as you can see, everything's just wet at the moment, but these are pre-treated highways. We're starting to see you can see some of the snow that's on the side of the road right there. You can see that. The back roads will be the first here in the next hour that are going to get covered with snow. Now, on top of that, because we're way below freezing, the temperature is at 14, then it's gonna stick. It's a powdery snow to start, but it's going to become a heavy wet snow as we get into tomorrow because of that warmer air coming in tonight that's going to change some of this snow over to freezing rain and sleet. So what I'm telling you is, as you can see right now, as of 7:41 a.m. on Saturday morning, right now in Bowling Green, the main roads are fine and even some of the side streets. But here within the next couple of hours, things are going to go downhill pretty quickly as the snow rates began to increase, and they will. So this is the part in my podcast last night and on News 40 yesterday when I said it'll look like that it's just light snow and, oh, this is not going to be a big deal. They were overblowing this storm and it's not going to... Just wait. Just wait. This is only the beginning. There is a huge area of snow back to our west, and the intensity of it picks up pretty well. So while we're just kind of looking at this and, oh, isn't this nice, and little snowflakes and powder and da-da-da-da, well, it's not going to stay this way long. I guarantee it's not going to stay this way. Okay, I didn't want to take up a lot of time. I just wanted to give you a quick update. Things will start to go downhill from here very quickly in Bowling Green. I don't know about anywhere else except by radar and by cameras to the west. Everything is looking very snowy. So we're still looking at maybe getting somewhere between 6 to 8 inches of snow here in Bowling Green before it all ends, and that's not going to be until Sunday night or early Monday, with that little bit of mix in between. It's mostly snow today. Then it's going to change over to a mix of freezing rain and sleet late tonight, early tomorrow. And then on the backside of the low, as it moves away on Monday morning, it's all going to change back to snow. So we're going to get 2 hits of snow. After it's all done, storm total will be about 6 to 8 inches for Bowling Green. All right? It could be higher north of Bowling Green, lower, much lower, south of Bowling Green as you head toward Nashville, because they're going to get a lot more freezing rain and sleet and a lot more ice problems. So, from here on out, you can count on us at News 40 to continue to update you. Micah is going to be out today doing stories and riding around and doing posts on social media and our News 40 app. Scott is going to be doing the same thing, and so will I. So at various times today, you can get on Facebook, you can get on social media, you can get on the News 40 app, and you'll be able to get constant updates, bulletins, alerts, closings. I mean, it's all right there. But I would advise you that even though it's okay right here at 7:45 a.m. on Saturday morning, it's okay at the moment. Given another hour or two, and it's not going to be here in Bowling Green. It's going to be hazardous. So, be advised, stay tuned. This thing is here now, and even though it doesn't look like it's a big deal, it's going to become a big deal. Thank you for watching. Thank you for trusting me and News 40 to keep you up to date with all that's happening here in Bowling Green. And I will talk to you later.